2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options. Power driver's seat, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, clock, side airbag, tachometer, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, overhead console, center console, power mirrors, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel, cup holders, vanity mirrors, tire pressure monitor. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.